Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young and ambitious farmer named Alien. Alien was renowned for his vibrant farm, where every plant seemed to bloom with an unmatched vigor. His farm was not just a source of livelihood, but a reflection of his dedication and love for nature.
However, fate had other plans. A severe drought struck the land, and Alien's farm, like many others, began to wither away. The once green fields turned brown, and the plants started to wilt. Many farmers lost hope and gave up, but Alien was different. He believed in the power of positive thinking and was determined to find a way to save his farm. One day, while walking through his parched fields, Alien met a wise old man who asked him, "Why are you so worried, young man?" Alien explained his situation, and the old man smiled. "I see you're focusing on what's lacking, water. But what about the potential? What if I told you there's a hidden underground spring on your land that could change everything?" Alien's eyes lit up with hope. The old man handed him a shovel and said, "Dig where the sun meets the shadow of the largest tree at dawn. But remember, it's not just about digging, it's about believing." Alien worked tirelessly, driven by his positive mindset and determination. Day and night, he dug, and finally, after many days of hard work, he struck water. The underground spring transformed his farm, and his crops began to flourish once again. The villagers were amazed by Alien's success and asked him about his secret. Alien smiled and said, "It's not just about the water, it's about the power of positive thinking. When you believe in possibilities and stay determined, you can overcome even the most challenging obstacles." From that day on, Alien's farm became a symbol of hope and resilience. People from neighboring villages came to visit him, seeking inspiration and guidance. Alien shared his story, and soon, the entire region began to adopt a positive approach to farming and life. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring problems, it's about believing in possibilities. When you focus on solutions rather than obstacles, you'll find a way forward, even in the most challenging times.